A&H Consultant welcomes you in this briefing on the new Indian labor laws. We will decode the 4 labor codes: wages, industrial relations, occupational safety and health, and social security, and explore their practical implications for employers and employees alike. Our agenda today covers the history of these reforms, a breakdown of each new code, the benefits and challenges they introduce, real-world case studies, and best practices for HR leaders to navigate this shift in the employment landscape. The Indian labor ecosystem previously operated under 29 fragmented central laws, some dating back to 1926. This led to complex compliance, frequent litigation, and overlapping definitions. The 2019-2020 reforms consolidate these into 4 modern codes to simplify operations. The 4 new codes are the Code on Wages, 2019, and the Industrial Relations, Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions, and Social Security codes, all enacted in 2020. Together, they establish an updated framework for work in India. The Code on Wages establishes a universal minimum wage floor. Employers must align with a standardized definition of, quote, wages across all codes, which directly impacts the calculation of provident funds, gratuity, and bonus payments for over 500 million workers. The Industrial Relations Code simplifies layoff and retrenchment procedures and raises the threshold for requiring prior government permission to 300 workers. It also formally recognizes fixed-term employment, offering greater flexibility for companies while protecting employee rights. The OSH Code standardizes working conditions, mandating an 8-hour workday and annual health checks for workers over 45. Crucially, it allows women to work in all sectors, including night shifts, provided appropriate safety measures are in place. The Social Security Code provides a historic safety net for approximately 7 million gig and platform workers. It also expands coverage for Provident Fund and ESIC and grants fixed-term employees access to pro-rata gratuity benefits. These reforms provide significant benefits for employees, including guaranteed timely wages, safer workplaces, and expanded Social Security. The formalization of gig worker rights and the provision of portable digital records represent major steps forward in worker welfare. For employers, the codes offer substantial efficiency gains. By moving to a single registration and consolidating over 40 filings into just 4, companies can significantly reduce their compliance burden and simplify their HR processes. Transitioning to the new laws does come with challenges. Companies must navigate higher payroll costs due to updated wage definitions, invest in HRIS upgrades, and ensure HR teams are reskilled to handle new documentation and regulatory compliance. Employee concerns primarily center on potential reductions in take-home pay and the varying timelines of state-level notifications. Addressing these requires proactive, transparent communication and clear explanations of the long-term benefits. Market reactions vary by sector. Large multinationals and manufacturing firms are largely positive, focusing on the simplification of compliance. However, gig aggregators and smaller enterprises are more cautious regarding the new financial and administrative obligations. Our research indicates that while over 50% of employees are positive or satisfied, a significant portion remain confused or are awaiting further clarity. This highlights the vital need for structured training and awareness programs during the implementation phase. A real-world case study of a manufacturing firm shows that post-reform, they successfully consolidated 14 licenses into 1 and reduced safety incidents by over 60%, demonstrating that with proper planning, these reforms can drive both compliance and productivity. This slide highlights the balanced impact of the new laws. While employees gain enhanced Social Security and safety, they may see adjustments to their in-hand salary. Employers benefit from increased operational flexibility, but face higher payroll costs and the need for HR system upgrades. HR departments are central to this transition. A successful implementation requires a structured 90-day plan that includes updating internal policies, conducting staff awareness campaigns, providing compliance training for managers, and overhauling payroll systems to align with the new wage definitions. Looking ahead, the future of work in India is being reshaped by the intersection of regulation and technology. Key trends include the adoption of digital HRIS, AI-driven payroll, the formalization of the gig economy, and a push toward remote flexibility and unified compliance. In summary, the key takeaways from these reforms are modernization through consolidation, a balanced design that empowers both workers and businesses, simpler digital-first compliance, broader safety nets, improved workplace standards, and enhanced national competitiveness. Thank you for watching. Strong labor laws are a foundation for empowered employees and a more competitive India. To hire our HR services, contact us on anhconsultant1@gmail.com.